If your iPhone personal hotspot is not working, here's how to fix it. Now head over to the option mobile data or the cellular. Make sure the toggle is on for it. If it is already on, switch it back, wait for a few minutes and then turn it on. Next up, head over to the option personal hotspot, toggle it off and on as well. Then try connecting again. If the hotspot still does not work, turn it back off and go to general. Click on the option about and choose name. Slightly change your iPhone's name and add a letter or symbol and save it. Now return to personal hotspot and turn it on once more to see if the issue is resolved. If it's still not working, try restarting your iPhone by pressing volume up, then volume down, and then holding the side power button until the Apple logo appears. After it restarts, your hotspot should be working again. Lastly, what you want to do is reset your network. For that, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.